One reason we want children and young people to participate is to help them grow in the decision-making process and to be successful in that task and effectively foster meaningful participation. We must understand the key dimensions that shape how they engage in the process. The dimensions of participation encompass several key aspects: pedagogical, social, political, and evangelizing. Each of these dimensions highlights different ways in which children and young people can engage and contribute to their communities, shaping their experiences and development in meaningful ways. Allow me to present each of these dimensions. The first is the pedagogical dimension, and this one links participation to cognitive and social development. It emphasizes how engaging students in meaningful participation can enhance their learning and development, fostering critical thinking, problem solving, and social emotional growth. A concrete example in the classroom setting would be like we as educators can encourage students to contribute their ideas during group discussions or sharing. They could be motivated by us to work together to solve a real world problem like planning a community service project, learning both academic concepts and social skills like teamwork and conflict resolution. Surely this does not only promote cognitive engagement but it also promotes social development as students interact with peers, listen to different opinions, and collaboratively reach conclusions. The second is the social dimension. Participation in this sense helps build a sense of community and teamwork. This dimension focuses on encouraging collaboration and social interaction among youth. Engaging students in collective actions fosters a spirit of cooperation and enhances their understanding of social norms and their role within a larger community. An example would be like a Mari school might organize a team building exercise where students work together to plan and implement a school event such as fundraising activity for a charity. This activity does not only promotes teamwork but also helps students understand their interconnectedness and the value of working towards a common goal, strengthening the bonds within their school community. The third is the political dimension. Now, this dimension emphasizes the importance of encouraging youth to engage in decision making. Participation should be seen as an active process that allows young people to express their opinions, influence decisions, and advocate for change in both local and global context. An example would be like students could be involved in a decision-making process regarding school policies or environmental initiatives such as the No Single-Use Plastic Advocacy or Recycling Program. By creating platforms where students can voice their opinions and have their suggestions taken seriously, educators nurture democratic skills, giving students a voice in matters that affect them directly. And the fourth is the evangelizing dimension. Now, this dimension aligns participation with Mari's distinctive characteristics, emphasizing the Mari's values of faith, Marian communion, and service. This encourages young people to engage in actions that reflect the kingdom of God, a sense of family or communion, and service to others. An example would be like in a Maris setting, students might participate in a community service project like volunteering at a local shelter or organizing a campaign to raise awareness about social justice issues. This aligns their participation with the Maris values of compassion, service, and being good Christians or citizens, helping them understand their role in contributing to the greater good, guided by Marist principles. So, in conclusion, the dimensions of participation, namely pedagogical, social, political, and evangelizing, serve as foundational pillars that guide young people's growth and engagement in their communities. By fostering meaningful participation across these dimensions, surely we empower children and youth to develop holistically and contribute positively to society.